Step into upscale, student-styled comfort at Lofts at Norton Crossing in Columbus, a modern, fully furnished community marrying suburban convenience with urban energy. Choose from an impressive selection of 1- and 2-bedroom apartments, each equipped with private bathroom, wood-style plank flooring, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, walk-in closets, and in-unit washer/dryer. Selected units also offer private patios or balconies to enhance your living experience. The community offers resort-style amenities with a sparkling pool, fitness center, game room, clubhouse with billiards, complimentary Starbucks coffee bar, on-site restaurant Old Bag of Nails pub, co-working stations with free printing, a community park with stage, resident lounge, and is pet-friendly. Located at 4657 East Broad Street, you are closely nestled to Franklin University and The Ohio State University. Public transit is seamless with nearby bus stop at East Broad Street and Midcliff Drive and South Charleston train station. For food and study breaks, grab a gourmet coffee at Sweetwater's Coffee and Tea. Enjoy Malawian flavors at Kamaria Yemeni Coffee, or unwind with dinner at Firebird's Wood-Fired Grill, all within a 10-minute walk. Ready for comfort, convenience, and community in Columbus? Book your tour and secure your spot at Lofts at Norton Crossing today at amberstudent.com.